I'm gonna grab the hair. You feel me? You see this loosey hair right here? You see? On the dread. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab the hair like that. I'm gonna take all 75 right here. And I'm gonna introduce this loose hair to the body of the dread. So stay tuned, guys. Go ahead and take the body of the dread. You see how I've been moving this finger right here while I introduce the needle slowly and carefully. YouTube, so this is your boy Luis 25 Locs. Yo guys, look, I'm back with another video, guys. I know I've been gone for a minute. Man, what the hell? Do it back, stay back. Yeah. So I know I've been gone for a minute, but believe it or not, guys, I got a lot of shit going on. This new video is gonna be about how to crochet your hair, how to control the hair. So if you see right here, look, I got an afro in this motherfucker. You see, I got an afro. Can you see it? So that's what I'm gonna be crocheting. Did I say it right? Fuck, I don't even know. But anyway, guys, so you see this right here? Ooh, this motherfucker is an afro. What the hell? So I know I don't wash my hair since, I say, last month. I might have like, man, what the fuck what's going on in my eyes? So it's been like a month and 2 weeks, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so it's kind of dirty. You see that right here? It's kind of dirty, but it's all good. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm gonna tighten it up. You see this loose hair, whatever it is. I'm gonna add it to the dread, like ASAP. So don't go nowhere, guys. Stay tuned. Oof, my hair itches. It might be because it is dirty. So I'm gonna be talking about this new product that I found. Y'all might like it. So this motherfucker right here smells so good. Oh my God. Like for my dread, you feel me? I be working in the shop, I be sweating. And so, you know, you need to have some good products so your hair don't stink. You feel me? So I got this oil right here. Later on, I'm gonna show y'all how I apply this product to my hair. And I got this is I think it's a leave-in, I don't know. And then I got this is some kind of mask for the hair. Smells good too. What the, man? What the hell? But anyway, guys, smells so good. I wish you guys can find it over here in the US. Cause I bought that shit in my island, Dominican Republic, when I went. So I bought it. So this smells so good. And believe it or not, guys, my hair is growing. Cause if you see this new dread, like they growing for real. Like it's growing, man. You see? Almost in my eyes. Look. So, and all I've been using is this product right here. Alright, guys, so I got a needle right here. You see all I got? I got all 75 millimeter. So this one right here, favorite. Then I got this one, it's kind of big. All 75, but he got 3. This one only got 2. You see? So, and then I got the other one, but this is all 5. You see? All 5. This is all 75. This is bigger than this. All right, so guys, let's begin. There's the hairband. It's right here. Put my hair up real quick. Then I'm just gonna get close to the camera or the phone, whatever it is. So I'm gonna section the hair. You see, so I don't even have a clean part because, man, what the fuck is, damn. Anyway, So I don't even have a clean part because I start growing my locks without, you know, session on the hair, so I don't care about it. This is how they are, and I can mess with it. But anyway, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab the hair. You feel me? You see this loose hair right here? You see? On the dread. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab the hair like that. I'm gonna take all 75 right here. And I'm gonna introduce this loose hair to the body of the dread. So stay tuned, guys. This is so easy for me that you guys are going to love it. So this is how I really do my dread. So this is how I do it. Remember that you gotta be careful. Like, don't really see that I'm doing fast, that I'm going like, because I know what I'm doing. But if you guys are learning, don't trust the needle. Like this motherfucker right here, don't trust this motherfucker. It's gonna make you bleed. So, they're gonna go ahead and take the body of the dread. You see how I've been moving this finger right here while I introduce the needle slowly and carefully. So this is all I do, guys. You see, so, and the loose hair is in the body of the dread already. So let's move on. I got this right here. You see? You see? So I just do the same thing. Do the same thing. Same thing. You hear me? So by the way, guys, if you're not following me on my IG, go ahead and do it right now. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Luis 25 Locs. Let's get it. You hear me? So let's get it cracking, man. If you got any questions, I'm gonna be answering all the questions that you got. Like if you wanna know about where to buy the needle, I'm gonna let y'all know in my DM. So let's get it. Let's hit me up, man. Hit me up. Let's start. So this is what I'm doing. This is what I do for a living. I do dread. I'm a barber. So let's get it. So you see this right here? Okay, you see this loose hair? It's gonna be inside of the dread right now. Cause I'm playing, you hear me? I'm not playing with my hair. So you see, you know that I don't get no retwist, it's because I don't want to. But with my hair, like using products, you know what I'm saying? Like tighten it up, making sure it's clean, even though it's dirty now, but fucking. Putting the oil, you see? So I don't play with that. With my hair, hell no. So this is what I do, man. See how I be introducing the needle like this. I'm not telling y'all fake shit. This is real. This is what I do. You feel me? So I'm not even telling y'all do it like this. I'm showing y'all how I do it. You feel me? So I got like, how many dreads do I have? Shit, I forgot. But I think I have like 194. It might be 194, 195. But you know, I'm growing these 6 new dread. I got 3 on this side, and I got 3 on this side. You see? So I might have 200, or I might have 201. I'm gonna have to count it out. But anyway, that's another topic. The topic is about crocheting the hair. The topic is crocheting the hair. You know what I mean? So let's get it cracking. So I gotta go all over my head, and then I'm gonna wash it. Alright, so that's it. I'm almost done in the front because now all of them have this problem. Now all of them have it. I feel like only these 4. Let me see this one. Hey, my head is dirty. Look at that shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to wash it right now. So you got some right here. Alright guys, so this is it. Group 75 Locs. Man, go ahead and follow me on my IG. Show me some love. I'm gonna be posting video about the needles, about the dread, like, you feel me? So this is what I do, man. Show me some love. Go ahead and share this video with whoever you know who's going through this problem, who needs to learn how to use the crochet. So this channel is gonna be about that. So you are in the right track. Go ahead, man, show me some love. Listen if I Locs on my IG. I'm gonna be posting as much as I can whenever I have the time, because I'm busy as hell. I'm gonna do my best to post at least once a week. I'm gonna see if I can do it. I'm not sure about it, but I'll see if I can post at least once a week, so you guys, you know, get accustomed, because I know how crazy it is when you're learning how to do something and you don't find the right information on YouTube. So, because I went through the same problem when I was living in the DR, you know, over there, like having drill like this, it's not really common. So once I moved to the US, you know, it's easier for me, but over there, I had to buy my own crochet on Amazon. It took me a long time to get them. Then start from the bottom, learning how to use it, like messing up my fingers, going through the process, and growing my hair. I think I made a video about like how I really started doing it, and go ahead and check it out on the channel. So guys, it's not really that difficult. You just gotta go ahead and do it. So I'm about to wash my hair, because you see how I'm scratching my scalp. It's dirty as hell. So I'm gonna do it right now when I'm done with the video. So I'm just telling you guys that it's not really impossible. So don't give up. Go ahead and do it. And I feel like if you really have some fine hair, you feel me, like fine hair. I'm talking about no fucking like racist shit. I'm telling y'all how crazy it is if you have fine hair. So if you got fine hair, not curly fine, you need this. Like, you need the needle to interlock your dread. So and then, like, I'm telling you, your hair might interlock, but it's gonna take a long time, and most people give up in the middle of the journey. They don't keep getting retweets, then go ahead and cut it off. But if you know how to use this, like, it's gonna be easier for you to interlock the hair and have some dread like I do. Look at that shit. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, I know that's what you want. Yeah, look at that. Alright, man, so stay tuned. 25 Locs. Too much love for everybody. Show me love, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.